Ever wondered how the humble fruits in your kitchen can be a powerhouse for your kidney health? Or perhaps how they work miracles in detoxifying your body? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fruits, specifically the top 5 fruits that cleanse your kidneys and fast. First up, we have the vibrant and juicy watermelon. This fruit isn't just a summer favorite, but also a fantastic detoxifier for your kidneys. Packed with a high water content, it helps flush out toxins from your body. Not to mention, it's rich in potassium, which aids in removing excess sodium, thus reducing the risk of kidney diseases. Remember, a happy kidney is a well-hydrated one, and watermelon does just that. Next on the list is cranberries. These tiny, tart berries are not only perfect for a Thanksgiving sauce, but also for maintaining your kidney health. They prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, warding off infections. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants, helping your body fight off harmful free radicals. So don't forget to add some cranberries to your diet. Then we have the sweet and tangy oranges. These citrus delights are a rich source of citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones. Moreover, their high vitamin C content boosts your immune system, ensuring your kidneys are in tip-top shape. So when life gives you oranges, think of it as a blessing for your kidneys. The fourth fruit is the humble apple. An apple a day does more than keep the doctor away. It keeps your kidneys healthy too. Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Plus, they contain a special type of antioxidant called flavonoids that improve kidney function. So make sure to munch on an apple every day. Lastly, we have the pomegranate. This ruby-like fruit is a treasure trove of health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help cleanse the kidneys and reduce chances of infection. Plus, it's a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and further detoxification. In conclusion, watermelons keep your kidneys hydrated, cranberries prevent urinary infections, oranges ward off kidney stones, apples reduce inflammation, and pomegranates cleanse the kidneys. So, incorporate these fruits into your diet and give your kidneys the care they deserve. Remember, good health is a journey, and every fruit you eat is a step in the right direction.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest